Hey glam queens! Makeup sets can be confusing, but not today. Let's dissect the top 5 makeup sets to find your perfect match. Eaglehunt Matte Combo Kit. Craving high-end quality? This matte combo gives you a taste of luxury. Choose your shade, reds, nudes, pinks, and get a mini lipstick, blush, and mascara. Treat yourself. 4 IBA must-have makeup set. Want just the essentials without the fuss? IBA's must-have set is your bestie. Foundation, highlighter, eyeshadows, and a lip gloss for a quick, natural look. 3. Sugar Cosmetics Festive Ready Kit. Holy vibes, anyone? This set features vibrant eyeshadows, a bold lipstick, and even glitter. Celebrate in style and stand out from the crowd. 2. IBA Complete Makeup Box. Budget balling? IBA's got you covered. This affordable kit has all the basics. Foundation, blush, mascara, even kajal, perfect for beginners or everyday wear. 1. HUDA BB Beauty Parlour Makeup Combo Kit. Feeling fancy? This limited edition set has everything for a complete date night look. Think luxe lipstick, shimmery eyeshadows, and a glowy highlighter. Consider your needs and style. Date night glam? Festive vibes? Everyday essentials? Pick the set that speaks to you. Hit those links in the description and let me know which set you're grabbing. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty hacks and tricks.